Hey everybody, it's Travis, your manufactured home nerd. I am still at the home place in Warrior, Alabama, and today we are going to get to see the Clarkson, which is absolutely a lovely home. It's actually really similar to one we've been selling with Cabco for years and been one of our number one floor plans at all. But I'm loving to see these key differences that are in here. So you can see the Deer Valley difference from the Cabco difference, and I love both homes, but this one is just nice and it gives me some different design options for my customers, and I absolutely love it. Of course, it's heavy built. It is a Deer Valley home. That always means that it's very heavy, looking like it's right at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 axles. Very heavy. We love it. Might be 8. I'm from Arkansas, so my counting skills aren't very nice. It's got kind of a mix of vinyl and hardy plank siding. That hardy plank is paintable. Of course, you can do either all the way around the house if you want. And I do like this look around the windows here. That hardy plank around it, painted a different color. I am a big fan of contrast. So let's go check it out. It's got this nice 8-pane door on the front, the brown. Of course, Deer Valley does those solid steel doors, which we always love. Helps give you that extra structure. They do the 2x6 outer walls. They do the 2x8 floor joists. That's all standard. 2x4 inner walls, all at 16-inch centers, and that is something we've always loved. Of course, we upgrade the insulation. We put those vents in the ceiling. They already have really good insulation anyway. But let's check it out. So right here in the Clarkson, you got your dining room, some beams right there, kind of just to highlight your foyer area. And you got that little porch, of course. Coming into your kitchen, it's got a large island. It's got a little coffee bar with some feature cabinets here, so whether it's liquor or coffee mugs or whatever you collect, you can show it off. But you also have your little sink here, wash your coffee mugs, your wine glasses. Absolutely love it. A lot of storage, a lot of cabinets throughout this kitchen. You saw the microwave built in. You got your dishwasher right next to your sink. And I am loving this color of the island, especially with that butcher block look, that antique bourbon pine countertop. Got your rolled countertops up here, as well as that beautiful ceramic tile. Now look at right here, you can see they got the solid wood cabinets, soft closed doors and drawers, full extended drawers, and dovetail drawers. So Deer Valley wants to make sure that your cabinets will last for years. You see how far this thing comes out. That thing ends at 19 inches, so it's a little more than 19 inches, maybe 20 inches that you have for that. We absolutely love it. You got your little Lazy Susan here in the corner. Of course, you can option one end up at the top if you choose as well. You got the 60-40 split sink. You can do a one basin as well. And this huge picture window opens, lets a breeze into your kitchen if you wanted to, but you can also keep an eye on the kids if they're out front. But you over here in your living room, you did have those large windows. Keep an eye on them if they're in the back of the house too. Now, of course, because Deer Valley does do a lot of customization, you don't have to put the fireplace right there. You can put it in the corner. You can put it on this wall. You could add a sliding glass door or whatever you want. But before we go check out that master suite hiding over in the corner, we're going to go check out the rest of the house. Now, again, it is highly customizable, so if you want to add offices, change the number of bedrooms, that is always something you can do. It's got a really large utility room, mop sink, with a little laundry cubby there, but you can change that up if you wanted. A lot of cabinets right above here as well. And off to the side here, you got a nice little freezer space. You got your breaker box hiding behind the door, and your water heater closet. Something we always like to see, that door to the water closet. Just makes your life easier if you ever have an issue with the water heater. And then over here you have your little guest bathroom. And I said little, but it's not too little. You got a nice square sink, a lot of space there, elongated toilet, and a pretty big tub shower. I said shub tower, my bad. With a nice transom window up above. And one of the things I just learned is if you have some of these surface mount can lights, we might have saw some in the kitchen there. Yeah, the surface mount can lights, what's great about them is they have a little switch inside, so you can change it from the warm to the daylight to the different looks. You just pull the cover off and make the lighting feel however you like in your house. Now you got bedroom 2 right here, or bedroom, yeah, bedroom 2. It's a good size, easily fit you a queen size bed in here, as well as a nice size closet. And then coming over here, you got bedroom 3 and 4, both about equal in size. So we'll just check out one of them. Good size here, definitely fit a queen size bed, and they both got a nice walk-in closet. Now guys, let's go check out that master bathroom and master bedroom. If it's anything like what's in our canal, we're absolutely gonna love it. And of course it's a Deer Valley, so I know I'm gonna love it. Let's go check it out. It is a huge bedroom. You got room for a king size bed, 2 huge nightstands, maybe even a love seat and a dresser in here. It is just absolutely ginormous. Love that. And I'm really liking the way this shower looks dead ahead. Walking into your master bathroom, you got your 2 sinks right here with plenty of storage. Mirrors with your vanity lighting up above. There's your nice closet. We'll check that out in just a moment. I love this subway tile look. Big 8-foot shower. Oh man, that's absolutely amazing. And then you got your freestanding tub. Of course, they have that one that looks kind of like a cast iron you could choose to do, or you could do a deck tub there as well. And then you got your private water closet right here. I call that that's your YouTube or TikTok room. That's where you go to watch those videos. Then you got a massive closet here as well. Lots of shelving. I love the little bench seat with the locker built in. And all this shelving. I think we'd have to go buy clothes to hang them in here. And your large window. There's probably enough room for you to add an island if you wanted to. But, of course, with all the storage, you probably don't need to. Now, this Clarkson is a really nice house. Absolutely loving it. The big differences for me are between this and the canal are going to be that bathroom layout. And just a little bit of changes in some of the amenities. But, oh, man, it's amazing. If you guys want to know anything about this house or any of the homes that Bolton Homes carry, call your manufactured home nerd at Bolton Homes, 318-487-1819. I'd be happy to help you answer your questions. And if I don't know the answer, I guarantee you I know someone that does. Now, before we go, I don't know if I showed y'all this floor plan, so I'm just going to come over here so you can see it. And you see that we got your 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and you got room to kind of add some extra stuff in there if you wanted. Now it's a 78 box, but Deer Valley does go up to an 86 box, so you could easily add an office or a half bath or another full bath if you wanted. So don't forget, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and of course give me a comment about what your favorite part of this house is or what you would change. I'd love to hear it. And y'all, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.